Hey, this JD, and I'm going to show you a run you could do in F sharp, G flat. It's going to be coming off the 4. All right, so our 4, it's B in G flat. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play through some chords. It's a song, He Loves Us. Just play through the chords just to get to the 4 to show you the run. Goes to the 5. Keeping it simple. Alright, then to the 4. Alright, here's the run. Alright. Works anytime you go to the 4. Alright. Very simple. Alright, so I'm just running on a major scale, G flat major scale. Alright, so our major scale, G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, we're gonna call it B, D flat, E flat, F, G flat. Alright. Enharmonic tones will be the F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F. Alright, so what we're doing is you get to the 4. Alright, your 4, you're playing a major 7 chord. Alright, so you can do this anytime you get to the 4, just if the rhythm allows. If not, you may have to modify it. Alright, well, let me give you this B major 7 chord I'm playing. Left hand B and G flat or F sharp. Right hand, I'm hitting the B flat and G flat. Alright, hit those at the same time. And then I'm coming off the D flat to hit the E flat while holding the B flat. So I have those 4 notes in my chord, but that's how I'm getting to it. Alright, when I get ready to do my run, I'm going to hit the B flat and G flat. Alright, then I'm going to run down the major scale. So alright, so what I'm doing, hitting the B flat and G flat, F, E flat, D flat, B, B flat. So when I hit the B flat, I'm hitting, so let me do it slow. E flat, D flat, B, B flat, A flat to the B flat. So I'm backing up on the B flat. Alright, one more time. And I'm holding down a sustain pedal until I get to the B flat. Alright, and then I'm going to keep running. So, alright, so running B flat, A flat, G flat, F, E flat. And when I get to the E flat, I'm going to come back off the D flat, just like I did off the A flat, to back up on the E flat and let you hear it. Alright, hit the D flat and then hit it again and go to the E flat. Do it slow. Alright, hit the D flat, B flat, so alright, so hit you're gonna walk it all the way down, B flat, A flat, D flat to the G flat. So once again, B flat, G flat, F, E flat, D flat, B, B flat, A flat, B flat. Alright, then walk back. Keep going. A flat, G flat, F, E flat, D flat, D flat, E flat, D flat, B flat, A flat, D flat, G flat to finish your chord. When I hit that D flat, I'm hitting the G flat at the same time. Then coming off the A flat to hit the B flat. Like that. Alright, keeping that G flat held down the whole time. So, in context, that's a 5. I'm getting ready to go to the 4. Alright. Alright, just play with it. Play with it. Come out how you want to. Alright, hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.